Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. So today we are actually going to be playing musical chairs. So anyway, let's get started. Oh, something's happening. New game has started apparently, but I don't know what's happening. Here we go. There's a lot of NPCs in this. Oh, this is cool. Alright, let's go. Try to get up. Yeah, no, there we go. Phew. That was a little bit scary, but we've done it now, so it's okay. And I know y'all can't hear the music, but, you know. Oh, no, my thing's frozen. Oh, no! I'm out. Oh, that's so sad. Okay, guys, so we are back. Intermission is in, like, now. So, let's get started. A new game. Okay, this is the normal one. Okay, waiting. I'm really bad at this, guys, so, like, don't judge me, okay? Yes, we actually got a chair. Okay. I know, like, y'all can't hear, like, this, and I know this is your first time hearing my voice, if you do watch my videos, but I know you guys can't hear the music because my recording is, like, not letting me because it's gonna be copyrighted, you know, and we don't want that to happen. We don't want my account to get banned. So, yeah. Here we go. Now, guys, while we're playing this, comment down below what game you want me to play, and I'll play that. Like, you can comment any game, and I'll play that because, like, I need some inspo. I don't know what to play. Oh, I got a chair. Wow. Anyway, yeah, so comment down below, like, what game you want me to play. Oh, wait, huh? Okay then. Well, that happened. Alright, guys, so we're back in here. Let's go. Oh, let's go get a chair. Yes, we did it, y'all. Oh, wow, I'm such a noob at this game. Anyway, so, let's go. Oh, come on, get the chair. Yes. There are a lot of NPCs on here. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because they couldn't get enough people or because they need more people. Oh, that was so close. But yeah, there's a lot of NPCs, but there's also, like, players too, so. Ignore that. Anyway. Oh, someone just said something. Oh, wiener. They want a sausage. Actually, I reckon if I do get out next round, I'll probably play, like, a few more rounds. And then I'll go on to a different game. Like, maybe an obby or something. Damn it. Yes. Oh, that was so close. Oh. There's one NPC left. It's the blue guy right next to me. Oh, yes. There's no more NPCs left now, so it's good. But it's not that good because all these people here are, like, way better than me. Oh, someone just left. So there's 4 chairs. That's alright. Okay, there. Yeah, that's how I feel too, Bacon Dude. That's how I feel too. Because NPC players are like bots. Oh, the Bacon Dude's out, but I like that bunny guy's costume, especially with the eagle. That's cool. Now, guys, I'm just thinking, like, of what I should call my, like you guys, my subscribers. Oh, I'm out. Like, I'll probably, what should I call y'all? Yeah, but just comment down below what y'all think I should call you. Like, my favorite animal is a sloth, so yeah. Anyway, we'll go on to another game now. We are playing Daycare Obby. So let's get out this crib. Oh. Oh, so we're not allowed to touch that. Okay. Did not know that. By the way, I'm not very good at obbies. So, don't judge me here. Where do we go now? Oh, I think I did something wrong. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, I'm so confused, y'all. Okay, I think I know what to do. Okay, so you go like this. Go like that. Oh. Bro, I'm so confuzzled. I'm so confused. Y'all, comment what we do here. Because I'm not that sure. How do you get out the crib? Oh. Wow, I really am pretty dumb, aren't I, guys? Okay, so... I stepped on that, but alright. Alright, so stage 3. Yeet. Quick, up this way. And, y'all, can you hear the music in the background? I'm not sure if we can touch those, but, like, I'm not gonna risk it. I hope not. Okay. Yeet, and I'm dead. I'm dead. Let me die. I'm not that good at obbies, y'all. Really aren't. Yay. I'm just gonna go skadoosh. Whoa. Cool. Wait, stage 5. Or did I think I did it wrong? Pretty sure I... Oh my god, I get it now. Yeet. 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 No! I was close. But I was not close enough. No! Why am I so bad at this, guys? Okay, I'm gonna just skip to when I get this. Okay, guys, so we actually finally got it. Like, after 45 billion. Oh. Oh no, I hate mazes so much. No, go left. Okay, okay. Oh, you have no idea, guys, how much I hate mazes. I'm terrible at them. Do we go this way, maybe? Oh, I think we're going the right way. I do. Oh, yes, guys, we got it. I swear if I die, I'm gonna cry. Yay, I got it. Okay, cool. The baby is attacking us. Quick, run for it. Are we like a toy or something? Because we are pretty small. Skadoosh. We're probably not going to finish all of it, because let me check. There's like 19 stages, and I'm going to end off the video soon. So... what do we do now? Oh, what? What do we do? Is that jump? Oh, I thought that was like a wall or something. Oh crap, I almost died. Oh, okay, so the jump, you can make that. I was like so confused, I had no idea what we do. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. No! No! Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Okay, I'm probably going to end off the video in like 5 minutes, guys, so I doubt we're going to get through all this, especially since we're pretty bad at it. Well, I'm pretty bad at it. Uh-huh. What do we do here? Do we, like... Oh, do we go up here? Alright. Wait, do we? Yeah, we do. That baby's, like, not gonna lie, it's pretty cute. Aww. I love babies, they're so cute, especially when they can't talk, because then you don't have to hear them whine. I just went through the baby's head. What? What was that? Not gonna lie, the baby's really cute though. Can we make it? Yes, we can. Come on. Got this. I'm just going to skip to one. I get it, guys. Yeah. Guys, we finally got past that. Ugh, that was torture. Okay, stage... Are we in the baby's stomach, or what? Oh, I'm guessing we don't touch them. Okay. Alright. Bro, I'm so confused. What do we touch? I touched the pizza, and it killed me. Okay, what do we touch? Can we touch so we can touch them? I'm so confuzzled. Bro, okay, I'm gonna, like, just figure out how to do this, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, guys, so I finally figured out how to do it. Didn't take me very long, but, you know, it's not the point. So you can only touch certain ones. I did not know that. There we go. Hi, little baby. Please don't tell me we're going into your butthole. Nope, that's your mouth. Oh, no, the baby has eaten us. Oh, that's your livers. Oh, how yum. No. Oh, I touched it, okay. Whatever. I have no idea what this is. Has he eaten wool? Because I don't think we have anything purple in our bodies. There we go. I really don't know what's going on with this poor baby. Someone should take him to a doctor. Or him, her. We're not going to assume genders. I don't want to call it a thing, because then I'll get demonetized. Yeah, there we go. I'm really scared, because, like, I don't want to go into his booty crack. Ugh. Oh, this is his poop. How yum. Ugh. Gross. I'm probably only going to just play this last one, because I'm not going to do it for that long. Dude! I'm probably only going to finish this and then, Bro, I'm so confused. Alright. Guys, I reckon I'm going to end it off soon. Please. Okay, this is the last time I'm going to try, and if I don't get it, well, I'm going to end it off. Okay, I'm try one last time. One last time. No! Alright, guys, well, I reckon that's it for today's video. Remember, guys, subscribe and comment down below what you want me to play next. Like and subscribe. Yeah, that's basically it. Your girl is dead. Literally, I don't like this. See, alright, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and comment what you think I should play next. Any game on Roblox, just comment it. Bye!